going to share with you a smoothie recipe that energizes you. I call it the Green Power Smoothie. Now, what this smoothie does is that it provides you a lot of energy, and this is a perfect drink for your morning, especially if you're trying to cut away coffee or during the midday. So after lunchtime, about 2 to 4 p.m., if you ever feel sleepy or really tired, you can make this smoothie. It's perfect for these two timings of the day. And on top of it, what it also does is that if you are very busy at times and you just feel like you don't have time or you don't have the appetite to eat something, this is a good meal replacement. What you don't need to buy organic and what you need to buy organic. Dirty Dozen. Okay? So what is Dirty Dozen? Dirty Dozen is a list of ingredients, right? Fruits and vegetables that are certified the dirtiest. Alright, so just in case if you have never heard of the term Dirty Dozen. So there are multiple bodies. One of the most trusted body that is NGO, right, is EWG. Now what they do is that they will literally go and test every produce out there, right, from different parts of the world to know how high are their toxic levels, chemicals, and are they polluted and contaminated, right? So there are 15 ingredients that falls under the Dirty Dozen list, which is something that if you can afford, please get organic. So now, without going deep into that 15 list, I'm going to keep it simple. Something that I personally practice all these years, and something that I tell all my patients who have cancer, who have skin condition, right? So what are the things that you should never compromise when it comes to buying organic? Write this down. Number 1, leafy greens. Mark, what is leafy greens? Leafy greens is technically all your chai, all your sayuran, right? All your vegetables. Now take a look here, right? Whether it's spinach, whether it's lettuce, whether it's kale. When the farmers spray all the chemical, right, there is no protection. It directly goes onto the leaf, it gets absorbed in. No matter how you wash it, the chemical will have been sipped into the vegetables. Now that is only one source. There is another source of chemical. Where is it? The fertilizer, the soil. Alright, so you have double whammy there. Imagine the toxic that you are eating every time you are putting vegetables into your mouth. So, number 1, leafy greens. Go for organic if you can afford it and if you can find it, because now the challenge is that some of these ingredients we are willing to buy organic, but we can't find it because of the seasonal context or the limited production, right? Now, second thing would be apples. Whether it's green apple, red apple, they are very, very dirty. Okay, they are very dirty because I want you to remember this. Outside the skin of the apple, it's porous. It's like your skin, right? Now, when you apply anything on your skin, it gets absorbed instantly, right? So it's the same concept where it applies to apples. That's why when some people ask me, what about if I peel off the skin? Yeah, you minimize some of the chemical, but most of the chemicals have been sipped in already, all right? So, third one, number three, write this down, right, will be your berries. Doesn't matter if it's strawberries, raspberries, all right, they are all very dirty. Number 4 would be your grapes. Grapes are very dirty. You see that white layer outside? These are usually chemical. Now, take a good vegetable cleanser, wash that away, and you taste it with and without that white color layer. You will immediately find that there is a huge difference to the taste. So these are the 4, I would say, the dirtiest ingredients in the world, right? Not only in Singapore, Malaysia, right? Indonesia, right? Or Philippines, but in the world. That if you can afford and if you can find, please go organic, right? So now let's take a good look. What are the ingredients here that we'll be using?